My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2017 Audi A3. This vehicle has done just under 76,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights and automatic wipers. On the screen we can get quick access to Audi smartphone, Audi Connect, navigation, Bluetooth and radio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can hear that it comes with parking sensors. This A3 also comes with 5 different driving modes to choose from, as well as heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and a sunroof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.